Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook Chicken Mushroom Skewer in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, look for a place with fire and stove, which is right over here. Go near it, and to interact with it, press F, like so. So here are all the dishes you can cook. Search for Chicken Mushroom Skewer, which is right over here. Click on it, and here are the ingredients you need. You need one mushroom and then one fowl. So to cook this, you'll see a cook button on the bottom right side of your screen. Click on it. As you can see, there are two options. You can choose to auto cook it or cook it manually. I'm going to choose auto cook for this example. Press and then press confirm. Once you press confirm, this item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!